Hello everyone, welcome back to the Trick Spot. So, as you all know that IIT JAM paper is very near. So what we are doing is we'll be doing some questions and I'll arrange them and compile them in a series. So in each series we'll be solving around 2 to 3 questions which were asked in the previous year question papers. Okay. So this time I'm taking the questions from JAM 2020. So as this is the first time, I'm taking very easy questions so that you get used to it. So the level of the difficulty for these questions in this video is very easy ones. Okay. So the first one says that the treatment of formic acid with concentrated sulfuric acid gives, and there are 4 options. Now we should know that what is formic acid, right? So formic acid is, okay, this is formic acid. Now to it we are adding concentrated H2SO4 and we are going to heat it. Now we all know that concentrated H2SO4 is a dehydrating agent. That means it will draw out the water molecule from this. Now if you take out the water molecule from this, what remains? Okay, so H2O comes out. And the other thing which remains over here is CO. Now this H2O comes along with H2SO4. Why? Because this draws out the water molecule from the compound. So this is absorbed onto the H2SO4 and this comes out like this. And you have the other thing which comes out is carbon monoxide. So the correct option for this one will be option A. Okay, now the next one is very easy one, I can say. So it says that the number of non-bonding, no, this is the third one, sorry, this is the second one. So this is very easy one. So the nucleobase not present in their DNAs. Now I think even a 10th standard kid would know this, that in DNA you have purine base and pyrimidine base, right? So you have purine and you have pyrimidine. So in purines you have 2, that is A and G. It is adenine and guanine. And over here you have cytosine and uracil. No, not and thymine. So you have ATGC. Now apart from ATGC, what you have is U. Now U is present in your RNA and not DNA. Okay, so in place of thymine in RNA is replaced by uracil. So that was your second question. Let's come to the third one. Here. So the number of non-bonding electron present in the frontier molecular orbital of HFS. Now we know that H has 1 electron in the outermost shell. We'll draw a Lewis dot structure so that you come to know how it is made. Okay, and F has 7 electrons. Okay, so when they combine, these two combine to give you a bond. So this one along with this one, and other than that they have asked us the number of electrons. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is comparatively very easy one. So you have 6 electrons. Okay, so that was it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one with some new questions. Thank you.